we compete, we excel. We are proud Elsicians, proud Elsicians. Forward we march, we all yell. We are proud Elsicians, proud Elsicians, guided with a motherly care. LCC mark we bear, we praise you and salute you. Forever we say thank you for keeping your torch aflame. While we stride it's up high, taking pride in your name. Dear LCC, alma mater, you praise us to be better. Your trust is to serve us all, molding us to be bright. So we're here standing tall. We uphold your core values. All we learned will be of use. LCC brings out the best in you, changing lives for the better you. LCC brings out the best for you, changing lives for the